Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add filter on Excel table. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Sorting and filtering in Excel might sound a bit dry, but trust me, it's like giving your data a well-organized closet. Everything in place, easy to find and looking neat. If you've never ever started at a massive spreadsheet and thought there's got to be a better way to make sense of this, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to add the filter button on your table on Excel. It's so simple. So first we have to open our Excel document. And as you can see in here, there's no filter button in it. If you want to add the filter button, you can just click on your table and you'll find on the menu bar there is an option table design. You can just click on that, and in here on the table style options sections there is an option filter button. You can give checklist on it and you'll find here's you can see there is the filter button on your table. It's very simple, right? So if you want to remove the filter button, you can just uncheck listen here. If you want to add a filter button, you can just check listen here. And also in here, you can, if you want to add the total row, you can check list on total row, or you can bold the first column or last column or banded column. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add filter button on your Excel data. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!